Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up all your data on an Android phone before a factory reset. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is go into the setting app itself. Now once in your setting app, you're going to see a bunch of options here, but you're going to scroll down until you see two of these sections, which is accounts and backup. So we're going to tap on that. And then under there, you should see the option for backup. So we're going to see backup data. So we're going to click on this option right here. And from there on, we can do a backup, which will be backed up to our Google account. So you'll see things being backed up like your photos, videos, and other data as well. You can read through basically the data such as your call history, contacts, SMS, device setting, and much more. So you're going to go ahead and click on backup now. It'll begin a backup. Now, another way to back it up is if you're not seeing this accounts and backup, you might also see a Google setting here, which is going to take you to something similar where you're going to see a backup up top here. You're going to click on manage backup, and it might take you to the same page or a different page, and from there on you can go ahead and back it up. Essentially, you're creating a backup on your Google account so that when you sign in to a new Android phone after a factory reset, your data will be restored from this backup. Now, if you've seen this, these are going to be the two other ways to quickly back up your device. And now if you're looking to, of course, factory reset it after the backup is complete, you can just simply go down to management, general management, and then reset. And then here you go. You can go ahead and do a factory data reset. Now this also gives you two options on this page. I'm backing it up to the cloud backup for Samsung account if you have a Samsung phone. This is specific for Samsung Android phone. Or you can do is external backup to a SSD or a USB storage as well. So those are two different ways to also back up to external or a cloud device. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.